This one campaign I generated 745 quality leads from Middle East and cost only £1 53 penny per lead. No fake screenshot, no hype. This is my original ad manager in front of you. I reload my ad campaign again, then you can check it's real or not. You can check, yeah, this is my real ad manager account. And today I am going to reveal the exact campaign step by step in front of you. Every setting, every targeting, nothing is skipped. Hi, I am Salahuddin. I run meta lead ads for one of education consultancy firm. I specifically targeting international students who want to study in the UK from Middle East. If you are running a education consultancy or you have an agency or you are trying to generate student leads from Middle East, this video for you. By the end of this video, you want to learn how to set up a perfect meta lead ads for lead generation from the Middle East. Let's get into it. So you can check my ad manager and my this campaign also right now active, and I received 745 quality leads, and also you can check my spend amount 1138 pound. So right now I create a campaign in front of you and I'll show you step by step. So first you need to click create campaign and select leads and continue. You can find your campaign level. I just put one of name, international leads, and you can set up one of date. Okay, you can check here. So I will set up one of budget, campaign budget. You need to set up this. I set up £10 per day, and you can check. You don't need to touch anything here. You just set a campaign budget and daily budget. I set £10. You can set. You don't need to touch anything. So just click next. So you can set another name. It's our ad set level. So we can copy this name from here and just put here name for your understanding actually. So we will generate leads from Facebook instant form. We can generate from we can use actually from many option here: website and instant form, website call, messenger, website, and many things. So today I will set up instant form. So I select, you just select instant form. This is instant form. Okay, so you need to set up, you need to select your page. This is my page. You can see this is your performance goal here. So you can find two options: maximize number of leads and maximize number of quality leads. So we need to select maximize number of quality leads. In the meantime, my ad manager not showing this, so you need to select maximize number of quality leads. So we just select this because you need to connect your CRM also. So you can scroll down and show more option. You can see many option here. You don't need to touch anything here. You just scroll down and set up your time zone like 15 and show more setting. This section you can find your targeted location. So you need to select United Arab Emirat. I select, and I just close this location and I select Bahrain. You can see I select Saudi. So there are, you can see, I select Kuwait, Kuwait, and also I will target Malaysia. Also I will target Malaysia, and also I will target Malaysia. And finished your location targeting, then you click more. So you click here, you can find many option here. You can exclude your audience, you can include your audience. So right now we don't need anything, we just show more setting and select your targeted age. So I select 24 to 33. Right now you can find your detailed targeting option. I just select 3 to 4 actually interested people. So I select, you can find many option here. I select university in the United Kingdom who want to interested for university in United Kingdom, and also I select international student, and I select who want to interested higher education and university and college admission, and you can see college admission and undergraduate of undergraduate, and you need to select undergraduate education. So I just select 4 to 5 interest here. So just you need to check everything is properly, then you need to click next. So if you next, then you can copy again your actually one of ad name, then you can find your pages. So you need to put one of ad creative name. I just paste one of name, and you can check everything is properly, your page is connected or not. And right now you can see it's my form. I will not create a new form, but I will show you how I created my form. So I just duplicate it, and you can see it's my form type. I just set a name, and you need to set up higher intent, because if you set up your more volume, actually Facebook sent you bot lead. So that's why you need to set up higher intent. If you set up higher intent, your student find one of option review screen. So you can say this is my form, and you need to just set up everything step by step, follow my instruction, and next. And you can see one of headline and one of paragraph, how looks my form, and next. You can see I set up many question. You can see I set up many question and add some field in my form. So you can see level of study, interested in undergraduate and postgraduate, and country of origin, preferred campus, preferred subject, higher education, highest academic qualification, English language qualification. And also you can add some information here, and your main goal, collect your student name, email, WhatsApp. I just select WhatsApp, and next. And you need to add your privacy policy page. You can see I add my privacy policy page here, and next. And you can see your form is ready, next. And you can see my form is ready, and click next. And ending section, you can add your WhatsApp section here. Once your students submit their information, they can find your WhatsApp number. If they interested, they will contact with you, and also you can find your WhatsApp number here, and create a form. So I'll not create because my form is already here. So it's done. I close this. When your form will be created, then you need to scroll down and check your WhatsApp is connect or not, and you can find your creative section. So set up your creative, select, I will select your image, and you can see I have this image here. So I just click here, and after you select your image, you need to set up your primary text here. So I just paste my primary text here, and also you can see you just set up a headline: get a free consultation. So if you want a description, you can want, or you can skip it. So I just change this button, apply now, and click next. And when you click, Facebook actually show you one of feature, your image generation. You can select some image from here if you like. So I just select one or two best one, like this. Just next, and done. You can see my campaign score is 100. So if your campaign score is 100, you can understand your campaign quality is good. So before publishing, we will check again our campaign setup is perfectly or not. So one by one we check our campaign budget, and next we set up instant form, our goal, and also our timing, our targeted location, and our targeted audience, and click next. You can check your form, you select your form, and your creative description, primary text, headline, and your call to action. And you can see, you can click at preview, you can see how looks your ad. So you just publish. So once you can see in front of you, I reload again, and you can see my ad manager account, and also you can see my result. And also I'll show you my HubSpot account. Actually I collect those 745 leads. So this is my HubSpot account, and you can see my HubSpot account 745 records, and not any duplicate leads we received. So if you're running a education consultancy and your cost per lead is high, you can comment me your question. I try to definitely reply your question.